starting this video, would you mind stating your name and what year of course you are? For the first question, what makes math stand out every school and what are the features?
So there's a special features that PATS offers, especially different kind of programs. And PATS is the only aviation schools that offer a Hilton concept training, which is it trains its students to how to do the HITCO. So the students can acquire a level 1 skill in Hilton concept.
So question number 2, how can we create a welcoming environment for students and faculty at class?
So different school has a set of set of rules and standards. So by following this kind of rules and standards, especially the student handbook, we can create a welcoming environment as well as embodying the past core values, which is the patriotism, adaptness, trustworthiness, and government, as well as conservative.
So question 3, how does PATS ensure the safety and security of students, staff, and visitors on campus?
Every program here in PATS, we have a subject called nature safety. We be safe in the aviation.
So for question number 4, what key aspect of PATS College of Aeronautics should be highlighted in everyone's knowledge?
I think the key aspect of PATS College of Aeronautics is its mission and vision. And this mission and vision
to become the center of excellence in aviation education and promote to become the center of excellence in aviation education. Mission is to provide a quality aviation education and to promote its quality.
That's all for me.
So, good afternoon po. I'm Gina Princess Viola and I'm from Fairtrans, first year. And before we start, I would like to know what's your info and then background.
Yes, I am Virginia, college nurse. I am connected here since 2004 to present. And this is
Michelle Gordon, Dr. Michelle Gordon, doctor nurse, dentist and nurse here since July last year.
Okay po. So, first question is, what makes PATS stand out from other aviation schools and what are its features?
question. I think the best answer is we offer some extracurricular activities like a non-course organization, which is the Red Cross Youth Council of PATS, and the officers and members underwent trainings.
Yes.
Like
BLS and advanced
basic life
training,
support,
basic life support, first aid training.
And they actively participated in community service like medical and education.
So, how can we create a welcoming environment for students and faculty at PATS?
Okay, with that, we welcome all students and staff coming in the clinic by a very positive environment. We give tender loving care.
Palliative treatment.
So like this, how...
And showing our concern, we provide comprehensive care and follow-up.
So like this, how does PATS ensure the safety and security of students, staff, and visitors on the campus? You as a clinic advisor.
We conducted
Fire drills and physical check-ups. And to be safe.
also we ensure the confidentiality of some delicate cases.
So how about this? What are the privileges that can be experienced when working in PATS?
Privileges. We have many privileges. We have Christmas bonus, enrollment bonus, company bonus, vacation leave, sick leave, birthday leave, health card, life insurance, health insurance. What else? Then, yung anak yung outings,
Company outings,
ano pa ba?
minsan here in the, within the town or outside the town.
Here in abroad, yeah, here in abroad. Aside from, we have also SSS, maternity, paternity, field care, pag-ibig, and salary loans. Parang marami pa.
So what type of events, open houses, career fairs, workshops can be organized to engage the prostitute student and its families?
Ayun yung booth and bazaar.
Yes, booth and bazaar.
Booth and bazaar.
Every
To raise funds to be used for community service and trainings also in health education, like seminars, health seminars.
So for our last question for this, what key aspect of PATS College of Aeronautics should be highlighted in our promotional video?
Parang dyan, siguro yung sa marketing strategies,
Ang pads.
or pwedeng through word of mouth,
That's the best.
word of mouth during meetings like a birthday party, anniversaries. I think that is the best. Parang meron ka pa yatang question na yung mga unique programs. Unique programs. So we have 6 spaces.
So,
Services.
medical na.
Sa medical. Like, yung first phase is medical services. Yun yung only medical consultation. So, dental services, only dental consultation and offers
Low
low
prices of for treatments.
treatments like oral prophylaxis, tooth extraction, restoration, surgery. Also, second phase is basic health services like over-the-counter medicine. You experienced that also? Over-the-counter medicine, wound dressing, bandaging, stitch removal, cold compress, hot compress, removal of high foreign body,
Foreign objects at home.
nebulization and oxygen inhalation. Another is we have community service like medical and dental mission in far and adapted community. Health education through seminars and one-on-one health teachings during consultation. You experienced that also? Not yet. What else?
So
Health and wellness. We offer immunization and annual and medical dental checkup. You experience that annual and medical dental checkup?
Every enrollment.
That is included in the health and wellness program.
So that's all about so thank you po for participating in our interview. So basically po, magkakaroon pa po kami ng second interview. Gagawin po doon is, yung mga sinabi ninyo po is gagawin ko namin siya as professional visual. And then, papakita ko namin sa inyo. And then that time, nagbibigay po kami ng last suggestions, comments, thus we can revise in our visual.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you po. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Michelle Gabor from first year BSAD section 48. Today I'll be interviewing one of the students here in class. Can you please state your name and your course?
I'm Nick Matthew Belisario, a third year student from the Bachelor of Science in Air Transportation.
What year po?
Third year.
So, here are your questions. First is, what makes PAT stand out from the other aviation school and what are its features?
I believe that, in my opinion, PAT's College Aeronautics stands out from the rest of the aviation school because of the education it provides to its students. The facilities that we have here, for example, our laboratories in the 4th floor, airframe laboratories and the power plant laboratories provide the tools and the materials needed to do the subjects that are related to aircraft systems. Yung pagbabaklas natin ng engine, yung pag-component natin ng mga parts, paggawa natin ng mga replica minsan ng mga airfoils, and ganyan. Ayun. And the services here din naman is very satisfactory sa mga students, and nakikita natin na sa faculty and sa mga employees na nandito sa ating campus na po-provide nila yung mga needs ng students.
So, next question is, how can we create a welcoming environment for students and faculty and class?
Nagsisimula yung pagiging feeling ng welcome. Siyempre, bago ka pumasok at saka yung the moment na papasok ka na sa site mismo at sa school. So, for example, dyan sa gate, merely welcoming the students, greeting them good morning, ganyan. Siyempre, for the students as well to do. Yun na yung pinaka-welcome natin na matatanggap from the faculty and yung sa mga people here.
For your next question is, how does PATS ensure the safety and security of students, staff, and visitor on campus?
So, in our school, we have security guards all over the buildings here. Meron sa gate, meron din sa loob ng East and West Wing dito sa ating campus. Nagbabantay sila at all times and keeping the peace here. Tapos, for the student body naman, meron tayong discipline and discipline office para sa mga to keep the students respecting the handbook para lagi nila nare-respeto yung student handbook nila sinusunod yung rules dito sa ating school and para siguraduhin din na yung mga, for example, nawawalang bagay dito nila sinusurrender. Ito yung pinaka-lost and found natin. So, ayun, yung pinaka-security ng school.
So, kanina, earlier po, minention na third year kayo. So, we expected na marami na kayong events na natin. So, the question is about events. So, what type of events can be organized to engage prospective students?
So, in our school, maraming events tayo na in-organize. Meron tayo PSC, sila ang nag-organize. And of course, yung mga school and then mga faculty din. So, for our PSC, meron tayo mga engaging events. For example, this upcoming semester, meron tayong fun run. Meron din tayong foundation day to celebrate the founding of our beloved institution. Tapos meron din tayong mga career fair para mas ma-engage yung mga students na makapili ng mga company or mga future nila na papasukan for OJT, gano'n. The school is engaged in doing that. So, meron din tayo minsan na Flight Fest. Doon, nag-i-invite din sila ng mga companies din. Yan. And most of the time, yun yung pinaka-ginagawa nila para mag-engage yung ating students. Yung mga kapwa nating students sa pagiging aviator particular subject.
So last question is, what key aspect of past knowledge or aeronautics should be highlighted in a promotional visual?
So in creating a promotional visual, I believe some of the history of PATS should be included. Siyempre, our main vision and mission, yun na ang i-include. Tapos, yung mga PATS, yung ano natin, PATS core values, which is na talagang sinusunod ng ating mga students and embodies it as a PATSian.
So yun lang po, thank you very much. Thank you po.
Good morning, everyone. I am Gabriel Nashvivasto, and I'm here to interview ma'am for promotional material for PATS. Can you please state your name and what you do for PATS?
Yes, my name is Miss Micaela Andre Mananang. My name is Annie, and I am a instructor for nursing management.
Alright, Miss Annie. Let's move on to the questions. For question 1, what makes PATS stand out from other aviation schools and what are its features?
I think for me personally, what makes PATS stand out from other aviation schools is the quality of the education, because I think most of the instructors that we have here are really experienced, really knowledgeable with skills that they can impart to the students. And apart from that, I think also the support that we have and the affiliations that we have with other organizations.
So let's move on to the second question. How can we create a welcoming environment for students and faculty at PATS?
One thing that I've noticed here with PATS, staying here for 1 year, is that there is actually a welcoming environment. And I think the students can also agree with that. There are a lot of events and a lot of activities that the PSC or other organizations create so that the students can have and can feel the welcoming vibe of the school.
With regards to question 1, you mentioned partnerships that PATS have. And with regards to that, what partnership does PATS have with the aviation industry or other aviation companies?
Guys, if you notice, I think when we have events, there are a lot of businesses that come here in PATS and they let you try the simulations, stuff like that, and I think they partner with the school for you to experience that firsthand. And I'm not sure if a lot of aviation schools have that, but that's a good thing with that. So we have partnerships like that so that the students can really experience firsthand, especially the technical courses that we have.
Okay, moving on. As a teacher, what are the privileges that can be experienced while working at PATS?
If I'm being honest here with the privileges, I would say personally in our department there is a strong connection, genuine connection percent. You will feel that you are welcome, you'll feel that you are supported, and when it comes to the money aspect, PATS is also very, very generous. So they think of, the management thinks of ways on how to make our lives as teachers a little bit easier, because being a teacher is not really easy. So the management, they think of ways on how we can better manage. And also the privileges, I think, is the food stubs that we have for both employees and for both faculties.
So let's move on to the programs that PATS give to students. What unique programs or features of PATS set it apart from other aeronautical schools?
Programs. To be honest, Gab, and everyone watching, I'm not very much familiar with the other aviation schools, but what I can say is that PATS has this reputation because we've been around for so long. And I have family members who were students from PATS that was way back 70s, 60s. And you can really see that they are proud of being a PATSian. So I think that that is still what being unique is. So not necessarily about the program, but more on how they were impacted as a student here at PATS.
Okay. To the next question. In question 3, you mentioned partnerships with other businesses and other schools or even flying schools that come here when there are events. So in question 7, what type of events, including open houses, career fairs, workshops, can be organized to engage prospective students and employees?
Okay, that's a very good question. Although the houses, career fairs, workshops. I personally agree that if we incorporate that, I think the students will really appreciate because it's very different what you learn here in school than what you learn from the professional. So if we can partner with different organizations, different businesses for, say for example, workshops, then I think that's one of the best ways for us or for the students to really learn. Because they will learn from the experts themselves.
Then let's go on to our last question. With regards to all that you have answered, what key aspects of PAT's culinary aeronautics should be highlighted in promotional material?
I think what we can highlight apart from the programs that we have is again the brand reputation or the school reputation been around for so long, the instructors that we have that are really knowledgeable and skilled for the professions or for the courses that they are teaching. And also our facilities, especially our technical courses, they have a lot of facilities that they use so that the students can really get on that first-hand experience. So something that maybe we can put into the promotional literature.
With this last question, it concludes our interview. Let me just say thank you for your time and for this overview.
You're welcome.
My name is Delara Jovenray. I am Executive Officer of Core Operations S3 in NSTP ROTC.
So, question number 1. What makes PAT stand out from other aviation schools and what are its features?
Masasabi ko, stand out talaga yung PATS when it comes to workshops and laboratories. So, madami sila talaga ma-offer, like access to tools, access to specific engines, mga aviation materials. So, pwede ka talaga maka-hands-on. Pwede mo talaga magagalaw yung mga materials, mga nakakabit. Pwede talaga. So, yun, maganda talaga ang PATS when it comes to offering hands-on activities like workshops and laboratories.
Question number 2. How can we create a welcoming environment for students and faculty?
Welcoming environment. Actually, kahit simple gesture lang, like mag-greet kayo araw-araw sa teachers nyo or vice versa, mga teachers mag-greet sa students. Neutral, good relationship within students and teachers. And aside from that, why not, makikisama sila like, hindi lang talaga na specifically in academics. Why not interact sila like, kamusta kayo? Kamusta sila? Good for the relationship and makaka-benefit rin kayo when it comes sa at talaga in workplace, like good relationship with co-workers will make a more productive output.
Question number 4. How does PATS ensure the safety and security of students, staff, and visitors on the campus?
About security and safety. Actually, pasalamatan natin yung mga security guard kasi buong araw andito sila, alas 4 ng umaga hanggang alas 10 ng gabi. Andito sila nagbabantay, nag-i-enforce ng mga statements para lang magiging safe place yung PATS. And at the same time, kami ng mga ROTC, tumutulong rin kami sa pag-enforce ng regulations sa students. Like for example, di ba nakita ng guard, andyan kami. Of course, i-enforce talaga namin as part of our duty.
Question number 5. What are the privileges that can be experienced while working in PATS? Question number 5. What are the privileges that can be experienced while working or studying in PATS?
Privileges while working. Okay, as I mentioned, madami talaga na ma-offer nila na laboratories and mga hands-on activities as I mentioned. Well, of course, kung mag-enroll sila sa NSTP 200, madami rin sila ma-learn, like military tactics, yung history ng Philippine Air Force. Madami talaga. Meron nga tayo ma-offer ngayon, this NSTP 200, which is maka-experience sila ng firing. Pwede sila matuto ng paano magdala ng mga rifle, which will prepare them for becoming the reserve forces of the Philippines. So, yeah, madami talagang privileges rin dito. Mga organization rin para rin sa ma-prepare ng future work din nila.
Last question. What key aspects of PAT College of Aeronautics should be highlighted in a promotional video?
key aspects ng PATS development. Try nyo at least malagay sa promotional nyo yung president ng PATS mismo. Highly recommend it para makikilala rin siya sa siya yung namumuno talaga sa PATS on how good the school is. And of course, kung in case lang ipopromote nyo yung NSTP, I highly suggest na lagay nyo yung mga official staff ng NSTP 200 or ng NSTP ROTC mismo overall, which including the coordinator itself. And also, try nyo rin lagay yung logo mismo ng NSTP, yung PATS Corps of Cadets, para makikilala rin ng mga students na nag-enroll sa NSTP kung sino yung mga staff, yung mga official staff na na once na makita nila sa poster ng NSTP na ito yung mga staff, mas makikilala nila kung sino yung kailangan nila i-approach when it comes to projects.
Any suggestions dyan?
As far as I see naman in the PowerPoint presentation, it is well structured in professional way. But I just want to say that make sure that all the individuals na kasama dun sa PowerPoint is that they are well informed na yung mga pictures nila is not naka-indicate sa PowerPoint. Because you know that we have this kind of data privacy. Dapat they are informed na you are putting their pictures in your PowerPoint. And that's good.
So, good morning po again. So, I would like to ask what is your suggestions, comments about our promotional visuals?
Based on your proportional business, it's good naman, okay naman. So what I would suggest that you can include our organizational chart on that. And about the health services department, we have an additional service like nebulization. You can add that.
So that's it.
That's it. Thank you also.
So, kanina po pinakita po namin sa inyo yung promotional explanation po na ginawa po namin. So, meron po ba kayong any suggestion or comment about it?
Well, for me, very well constructed naman yung video. Maraming information kayo na-include sa school natin. Pero, masyadong maraming slides, masyadong for a promotional video ay PowerPoint. Pero pagka kasi promotional, hindi siya ganun kahaba and kasi nakaka-akin rin. Okay na.
So for me naman, agree naman ako sa kanya na kompleto naman yung information na nakalagay doon sa presentation, katulad ng mga courses na in-offer ng school natin. Yung mga facilities, kita rin. Meron tayong mga pictures na nakalagay doon, which is very well sufficient. Pero yun nga lang, agree rin ako sa kanya sa part na maraming individual slides na isa-isa yung picture. So ang pinaka-comment ko doon, pinaka-comment namin doon is try niyong i-compress or i-combine yung ibang slides. Since ang pinrovide niyo lang naman is pictures, kayo rin naman ang magbibigay ng short description na hindi naman nilalagay sa presentation. Pagsamahin nyo lang, for example, 4 na picture per slide. So, kunwari, ano yung makikita sa East Wing, diba? Kung ano yung makikita sa West Wing, at ano pa yung mga ibang facilities na makikita around the school. Para lang hindi siya isa-isa. Kasi yun lang naman yung pinaka-content ng ibang slide. In the sense of, in the case of yung academic organizations natin, program-oriented organizations, very well constructed din doon sa presentation nyo. Yung information is nandoon din. Tapos, and especially dun sa kabuang institution like our school, napakita rin naman yung institutional objectives, yung PATS vision and mission. So, I can say that it's pretty well done, but it can be better.
Sir, so about our PowerPoint visuals, do you have any suggestions or recommendations that would help us improve our presentation?
Suggestions kung paano nyo ma-improve yung presentation. So let's talk about muna overall ninyong presentation. Yung presentation nyo, overall maganda siya actually. Madami sang medyo detailed siya. Tas kompleto naman yung mga description ng ng presentation nyo, including yung sa mga courses, saka sa mga services na offered. And also about rin sa PATS, kompleto na rin. So, yung ma-recommend ko is may yung sa table of contents nyo. Once na yung slide nyo, parang kulang siya sa picture actually. Yung like ito, yung zero, yung first nyo, yung introduction, welcome to PATS College of Aeronautics na slide. Yung slide number 4 nyo ba?
Yes.
Kulang siya ng medyo shadow siyang plain. Pwede pa siya ninyo mag-add ng kahit picture nyo siguro para mag-introduction sa Same rin sa sa mga ibang objective na academic programs, get to know the courses offered by the PATS College of Aeronautics. Another thing to note, kung gusto niyo na mababasa talaga ng mga magbabasa ng PowerPoint niyo or mag-open, pwede niyo i-highlight yung mga keywords, mga important words in yung presentation. Like example, i-bold mo siya, tas iba palitan mo yung color para magpa-pop out siya. Hindi siya masyadong magulo mabasa. Okay, another. Let's see kung meron pang pwedeng ma-improve. Yung sa yung sa mga facilities and other important service unit. So, pwede niyo sila ma-improve yung sa picture mismo. Wala naman problema talaga sa sa mga paragraphs na nilagay niyo. Yung mga pictures lang. Instead na i-limit niyo yung picture sa maliit lang na box or maliit lang na nilalagyan nila. Why not na expand mo yung picture mismo as in buong slide para mas clearer siya. Tapos, 'di ba na-expand yun na. Lagay niyo yung pangalan, lagyan niyo diyan ng nakalagay na example ito, HitCon Composite Laboratory. Lagyan niyo agad ng parang box sa likod. Plain lang na color kahit anong color. Recommended blue or yellow. Para siya na magandang tingnan yung hindi na siya nasa loob lang ng box na masyadong maliit. Hindi siya masyadong clear. And let's see. Yung sa thank you, why not na nyo? Hindi ako check ko muna. Oh, why not sa thank you na slide yung last part nyo? Pwede nyo malagyan siguro na ng sino yung gumawa, yung mga group members mo. Pwede mo malagay dyan sa last slide para rin mabasa. Yan lang. So, yun yung mga recommendations ko sa PowerPoint.